Okay, we're gonna open my new Godox light. This is my new Godox light. Yes, so let's look for a knife or a. Sorry, okay. I'm not sure if the audio is taking on there. Let's cut it. From Korea, guys. Okay, this light I bought it from online, from Godox Godox website. They are professional guys. You don't have to go wrong on this thing. Bought it on Friday, and today is Tuesday. So it took it because they don't really work on the weekend. So it means it took until Monday. So until Tuesday, because Monday they were transporting it. Okay, let's take it out. What? Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna sit down also, just to. It's very hot here. I'm just gonna see what is inside. Yeah, that light. And then now I'm using the SL60 W Godox. Also, I'm using the other light, which is XL W also. So I'm just going to open this one just to see, and I'm gonna put it here, and then we're gonna compare the lights, the loud output, the quality, and everything. Here, this side, I've got a ring light. So now I'm gonna just put this one alone and put it near on the softbox just to see how powerful it is. Okay, let's go. Okay, it comes with this thing, which is the menu book. Okay, and then here maybe they just give you the options of the lights that they have, that maybe you may be interested. Yeah, they got different lights. I'm on this one. They've got different lights. I'm on this one. Maybe one day we'll got this one. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Unbox. Okay. There is the lights. Ooh, look at this. Oh, there is the big light. Okay, this is Godox SL200 is bigger than that one. It's more bigger than that one. So I'll be comparing it with the SL200, and then you get also the thingy in South Africa. You also add the thing. I don't think it's got a. Okay, there's nothing. So it means on this one, you just have to. Okay, this is the light. This is the light. This thing is looking from my eye, but you'll check it from the top camera. This is the light. It comes with, you can see, from South Africa. So I'll write everything about the lens and the camera that I'm using here, and then you see the quality and everything. It's very hot, guys. Let me go look for something that I can use for my thingy. Yeah, because I'm afraid to switch on the aircon. Now I'm gonna switch it off, and then we test this body. From, I'm not sure whether this monster thing is gonna. Yeah, you can see it, guys, at the back. You can see it. You can see it at the back. It's got a flash, but this is a big light to compare with that one. It's a big light. Okay, let me switch off this one, and then we'll put this one in, and then we see the output of this one. But it feels like it doesn't have a thing. I need to put it as manual at the back. Yeah. Guys, this is the light without any modifier on 100%. So it's the light. Yo, guys, I know. Let me put the modifier out. Oh, so this one you can use the Bluetooth. Okay. You can use the Bluetooth on it. So let me just take out my phone, this phone of mine, and we use the Bluetooth on it. It's very hot, guys, here. Where I'm staying is very hot. Oh, this is too much. This is too much. Yo. I know, this is it's triple triple this one. It's got 150 output than this one. Guys, this is the same light on 100% on my thing now. I need to pump this down, the ISO down. This is my light on the, it's just here. It's just here. I can see, I think fig. Yes, you can see it. This is my light on a, but look at this. This is the way it's so bright. The way it's so bright. Even at the back, I can't even, it makes me pop more than my background than that one. So I'll take this video, I'll compare it with that one, I'll show you my light that I used to, yes. Okay, so this light is on, at the moment it's on 60%. This is on 50%. This is when I take it up to 100%. This is 100%. So, but it's not really on my face. Let me just fix it on my face. Yeah. I think now it's just here. The light is here. It's on the 54% to become yellow. It's on the 3200 temperature. And then now it's on the daylight. It's on the daylight, and then I can crank it up to 500. So I'm gonna take it to editing just to see it on the thing, that whether how far is the quality, of to compare it with the one that I have. So this is 1080. I'm just on the 1600 ISO. So and then it's got some features here, features like the lightning features, and then there's the broken bulb, I think. There's a TV feature, and then there's like a candle, and the fire, and the fireworks. I think. Yeah, these are the features. And this is the flash. This is the flash. It's like a flashlight, I'm not sure. Yeah, let's just go it straight to that. And this is 61. And then I'm cranking it up to 100. This is my 100. Yes, this is my 100. So let's see when you compare it with that one. That one you can control it with a remote. That one you can use the remote. This is the remote for that one. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna try to edit. Thank you.